Alright, RoamingScorpion here. Just got my helmet all sorted out. I got a Klim Krios Pro. Nobody in the country seemed to have had it in my size. I take a large. Did a little bit of digging around, went to one of my local shops, and they had 4 in 2X and a couple in 3X. And what they did is they actually discounted the helmet down to $500 because they've been sitting on these for a couple months, and 2 and 3 and 4X helmets, I guess, just don't sell. So I took the 3X helmet and got it for $500. I went ahead and went online directly to Klim and got the correct size cheek pads for a large, and I also got the crown for a large. Swapped it out, and we are all set with that. Now it fits perfectly. I mean, Klim only makes 2 different size shells, a small to medium, and then the large to I believe it's 3X. And so, you know, just turned the 3X into a large, cheap enough. It only cost me $60 for that, so I still came out way ahead. On top of that, the dealer went ahead and not only gave me the transitions lens, a clear lens, but also gave me a smoked lens, and then actually gave me a metal mount for the GoPro that's made for the helmet, which is kind of slick. So far, I mean, I really like it. I've done, I don't know, a few hundred miles on it, and it does everything that I wanted to do. It's much lighter than the Shoei Hornet that I had, or that I do have still, or even that Trekker that was given to me. That's a good backup helmet, or something to play with. But this is a significantly better helmet. And it was easy enough to do. It was literally, I just went out to Klim, went ahead and ordered cheek pads and the crown, and it only took maybe 3 days, and everything showed up. Definitely a vast improvement over the other helmets that I was using as far as weight wise goes. I mean, the Shoei is an amazing helmet. The Hornet X2 is really a good helmet. If I was going to be on the road and solely on the road all the time, then I would probably maybe consider just sticking with the Shoei. But doing both, it's nice to have the lightweight, and that makes a huge difference as far as I'm concerned. I really like the fact that everything fits nicely now, and kind of tailored it, and everything does what I wanted to do. Plus the transitions lens, for really not paying any extra, actually saving a significant amount, because I think their regular price was near $750, and getting it down to $500 is pretty much unheard of. But do love the helmet. It's very, significantly lighter than what I've been used to riding around with, and that's pretty much it. I'll be doing another review on this as we go, and just kind of giving you guys an update as to how things are progressing with getting all my gear together, and we'll just kind of see where it goes from there. Have a good one. Stay safe.